Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at home and doing your work properly. Okay, beta. So in the yesterday's class, we have discussed about the intra and intergenic interaction of genes, and in that we have studied about the incomplete dominance. So the next topic is the codominance. In codominance, see, there are two alleles that control particular gene can express itself equally. सो कोडोमिनेंस में क्या होता है, जो दो फैक्टर होते हैं एलील के, वो दोनों ही अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, एंड दैट ओनली वी गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस टॉपिक. क्लियर बेटा? सो द एग्जांपल फॉर कोडोमिनेंस इज द coat color in cattles, and the second one is AB blood group. AB blood group. Clear? So we will deal one by one. The first we will start with the coat color in cattles. Have you seen cows totally having the white fur, and somewhere on the body, like this is the white fur they are having, and somewhere they have some black patches or at some places. Okay, so this is an example for the coat color in cattles for codominance. So beta, this particular allele control black coloration in cattles. Okay, these are the particular alleles which code for the black coloration in the cattles. If we cross this BB, capital BB, with the small bb, that control white coloration in cattles. White coloration in cattles. So if we cross the black with the white, what is the result we are getting? So we'll draw a Punnett square. We will cross the dominant trait, black coloration, with the recessive trait, that is B. So in the F1 generation, we are getting all four capital B and small b. So here you can see that the dominant gene is present, recessive gene is present, and they both are expressive equally. That means B stands for black and this B stands for white. So you will find black and white patches on the skin or fur of the cattles. So that means they both are expressive equally. Clear? Okay, the next example is for AB blood grouping. AB blood grouping. Okay, we know that the blood groups have been coded or decided by the three different alleles, namely IA, IB and IO. These are the three different alleles that can decide the blood groups. Okay, if we talk about the AIA, this is a dominant trait which actually decide the synthesis of a particular protein on the RBC. Similarly, IB, this is also a dominant character. So these both IA and IB both are dominant gene of the blood group, and I0 or IO is the recessive trait of the blood group. So they both actually characterize or synthesize certain proteins on the wall of the or membrane of the RBC. Clear? So these particular you can say the alleles, especially for example if this is the case, okay, they come in pair. You know that alleles always exist in pairs. So suppose IA and IO, they exist in pair. So what blood group will be? Dominant gene always express itself. The blood group will be A blood group because it synthesizes certain proteins on the membrane of the RBC. Suppose if this is the case, then the blood group will be B. So here one allele is dominant, the other one is recessive. If we take the example of IA, so here both the alleles are dominant, so the blood group will be A, and in this case also both the alleles are dominant, the blood group will be B. What if this is the case, IA and IB, Here both are dominant, both are expressive, isn't it? So they express equally and the blood group will be AB. And the blood group will be AB. So this is an example for the codominance where I have told you that both the alleles in a particular gene can express themselves equally. Clear? That is known as codominance. That is known as codominance. So beta, have you cleared about this point? That codominance means where the particular allele, the pair of allele express equally. आपको दिख रहा है ये? This is one allele, this is the other allele, and they are equally responsible to express themselves and forming the AB blood group. So that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the other phenomena. Thank you so much, beta.